Hey everyone, in this video we'll walk you through how to use the Transaction Manifest tool by Anastasia Labs and MoneyKit. The Manifest tool is used for classifying Cardano transactions based on smart contract addresses to produce a human-readable transaction manifest. Let's explore our three main endpoints. We have statistics that ends with stats and takes in no parameters. We have address transactions that takes in an optional count field and an address as parameters. And we have the specific address transaction that takes in an address and a transaction hash as a parameter. Let's take a deeper look at each, starting with statistics. Like we said, stats takes in no parameters, so clicking on send produces a manifest with two sections: category and merchant. The category section lists the type of blockchain activities observed, such as send ADA, send tokens, lending and borrowing, among others, whereas the merchant section lists known DApps services or token projects, such as SundaySwap, MinSwap, or even Book.io. Next, we have the address transactions. Here, the count is optional, and it controls how many transactions you want returned. If you do not specify, it returns a maximum of 5. Let's see what happens. This produces a manifest with a human readable description. This is the type send ADA, but the description is sent 65 ADA. Another transaction, send 16.64 ADA. And let's look for a different one, receive ADA with the human readable description, received 100 ADA. Finally, we have the specific address transaction. This takes in an address and a transaction hash. What this does is it primarily zooms in to a specific transaction, and like the other one, we have a type and a description. The description is the human readable manifest description. There are a variety of other transaction types and descriptions. For instance, here we have an AMM DEX type with a description executed an order on Wing Raiders. Let's try another transaction hash and see. Nice, here's another one. Yield farming type with a description: harvested 78 Wing Raiders governance tokens from Wing Raiders. Another one. AMM DEX, another AMM DEX, executed an order on MinSwap. And the final one, just to get a feel of the range. And this is a catalyst registration with a description, catalyst registration, and a confidence level of 99. And that's it for the quick guide on the Transaction Manifest tool. Feel free to try them out. You can find the Postman collection in the root of our GitHub repository, Anastasia Labs/MoneyKit here, and the documentations to the right. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.